Hello and welcome to the topic difference between grammar of language and functions of language. It's very important to understand the difference between these two concepts. So let's move and discuss. Let's first discuss about what is grammar of language. Grammar is the system of language. It describes the rules of language. We have some more points about what is grammar of language. Grammar is the way we arrange words to make proper sentences. It is a way of describing the structure of phrases and sentences. But we should know that language is not only about the system of language. But language is not only about knowing the system of a language. It's not only about understanding the rules of a language. It's equally important for us to know how different rules of grammar help us express in the immediate context, in the immediate environment. That's where functions of language come to play a role. That is why we need to discuss the functions of language, for they shape our ideas and thoughts at the time of contextual need. Continue. So, the fundamental difference between grammar of language and functions of language is if the grammar tells us what the message means, the functions tell us what the purpose of the addresser is and why he is using the language. In this context, in this regard, Roman Jakobson's theory of communication includes 6 functions of language, and those 6 functions of language are as follow: referential function, emotive function, conative function, phatic function, poetic function, and metalingual function. In my next lectures to come, I will discuss each one of the functions in detail. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.